season has been really, really hard. The conditions that we're facing, a lot of wind, a lot of dry vegetation, and that has resulted in fires really growing rapidly. Traditionally, we can catch the fire when it's small, but with the winds and the wind factor, these fires are becoming really large really quickly.